Hey everybody, D-Viper here with Mad Max Cars. Welcome to the 14th annual Roadwar Northwest Star Car Concours Classic for 2020. It's also the grand opening of our new shop location. We'll show you around, we'll show you the various cars. Hope you enjoy this. If you do, hit the like button. Also hit subscribe and that notification bell if you want to see more videos like this in the future. We'll look forward to seeing you at the end. Still about a half an hour till showtime. Got all the Wasteland cars across the way. We got quite a group of cars this year. This is the Lantego. It's a Mercury Montego built as a replica of the Landau from the Mad Max 2 opening chase. Gotta love the turbo setup. This here is the Mad Max 2 Road Warrior replica. Another Mad Max 2 replica. This is the Red XA Bat. There's several other videos on our channel that show this car. We've got several Wasteland vehicles here. Genuine military truck. Maybe that's not so genuine, but it's cool. The Hell's Fury Mustang is here again with upgrades as usual. Nice Chevy square body truck. Bit of a survivor. Can't go wrong with an old military Jeep. Got a few different military vehicles here today. This 47 Oldsmobile is a really nice resto mod, and it's for sale. Beautiful all original, one owner, 1969 GTO Judge. Having not only an amazing car show, but also an open house to show off our new location. So as promised, we'll take you on a quick tour and show you some of what we're working on today. This is a Chrysler 300 convertible pace car. There's the official pace car emblem. Next to it, we've got a Mad Max Interceptor that's just about ready to go out to a client. We have several of those going on in here. As you know, it's one of our signature builds. We're doing a motor swap on this trike here. This Willys has been in for several things. You've probably seen it in our videos before. It's in for some more services. This beautiful Biscayne up here is having an engine and transmission swap done, putting in a V8. It used to be a 6-cylinder. This fleet-side Apache pickup truck you've probably seen before. We're working on sanding and staining a brand new bed to put in it. This 71 Mach 1 Mustang has gotten a new engine, new transmission, and a lot of other new little bits and pieces. Now, some of these cars don't need any introduction at all. Here's our wasteland area of the shop, done in theme. And sitting here, the 1958 DeSoto, a replica of one of the cars from Mad Max 2, the Road Warrior. Back here we have several of these Australian Falcons we're working on. This Mad Max project is getting its mechanical work done. This one back here is having the body prepped and getting ready for paint. This one up here is getting torn down to start the project. And this one back here is getting metal work right now. So, that's the shop and some of the stuff we're working on. A bigger and better place to work so we can have even more fun.
There's nothing I can do. How could I be so wrong? Leave the so long. I could ever do all those things you want me to do. All those things we thought wise, well now we must go on. We must stand up and be strong.
1937 Cord, front wheel drive and supercharged from the factory. everybody, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more like it or any of our other content in the future, hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Anyway, thanks for joining us here at the 14th annual 2020 Star Car Concours Classic in Roadwar Northwest. We'll see you next time.